Readers, how are you? Are you good? I hope so. Inshallah, you are good. Today we'll take something new. Our subject is usually used in physics. There are two titles in this lesson: direct inverse and inverse variation. Two different titles. Let's talk about direct inverse. The shape of direct inverse, which is like this form, k, it's a constant, it's like a number like 3, 4, 5, k. Y out of x had two variables. We call this form the function model. So the function model, if you multiply x with k, you will get y equals k times x. X is a variable, y is a variable, and k is a constant. Example مثلا y equals 2x. يعني if you multiply x by 2 you will get y. هاي input output. Any function on this form we called the relationship between x and y direct inverse. Direct inverse يعني in physics, if the value of x is increasing, the value of y must be also increasing. If this value is decreasing, if x is decreasing, the value of y is decreasing. So the direct inverse is a relationship between two variables. If you multiply one of them by a constant, you will get the other one. This form, we called it direct inverse between x and y. Let's take example, determine whether y varies directly with x or y varies inversely or there is no relation. Then write the function model. Let's take another example, x, y, input, output. Let's see the relationship between x and y. 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 15. Find, because here the question is directly, find, divide the second column by the first column. يعني y divided by x. يعني 6 divided by 2. 9 divided by 3. 15 divided by 5. طيب 6 divided by 2 3. 9 divided by 3 3. 15 divided by 3 is 3. So here I got a constant 3. 3. So yes, direct inverse. أو yes, direct inverse. Yes, direct inverse. طيب, here you need to write the function model. Here this is k. 3 is k. Look, k, I divided y by x. K, then k is 3 equals y out of x. X. So here 3 times x يعني y equals 3x. So it's a direct inverse. If you multiply all the values of x by 3 you will get y. So it's yes, the relationship between x and y is direct inverse. Let's take this example. طيب, divide the second column by the first column. 4 divided by 1 4. 8 divided by 2 4. طيب, 11 divided by 3, is it 4? No, it's not 4. So I got a different value from 4 and 4. So it's not direct inverse, not direct. Since it's not direct, we didn't need to write the function model. Now, the second thing here, inverse variation. K, constant, it's a number. How can I get k? By multiplying x by y. So x times y equals k. So the function model is y, and if you divided both of them by x, you will get y equals k out of x. So this is the function model, y equals k out of x. This is y equals k out of x. طب, the meaning in physics, remember speed equals distance out of time. Now what's the relation between the speed and the time? it's inverse variation. So here, the meaning in physics, if the value of y is increasing, the value of x will be decreasing, opposite. يعني هاي increasing هاي حتكون decreasing. لو هاي increasing هاي decreasing. But here in direct inverse, if x is increasing هاي increasing, if هاي decreasing هاي decreasing. هون الopposite. That's why inverse, the meaning of inverse variation. Now let's take this example. X and y هاي 1 3 4 the value of y input output. Let's try to find k. You need to multiply the first column by the second column. Here I divided the second column by the first column. Here we need to multiply 1 times 2 هاي 2 3 times 2 out of 3 cancelled هاي بصير هاي 2 4 times half يعني 2 هاي ال k is 2 so yes it's inverse variation okay write the function model which is هاي the function model is okay y equals k. ايش ال k هنا 2 خلاص 2 out of x and هنا x times y 2 طيب in the second example multiply the first column by the second column 2 times 3 6 3 times 2 6 طيب بس 4 times 1 4 هاي different value it's not equal 6 so it's not inverse. Now let's take the last example. Suppose that y varies directly يعني شو يعني directly هاي directly y equals k times x directly يعني هون y equals k times x طيب and y equals 9 when x equals 3 أول إشي find k طيب find k write لأنها directly write y equals k times x طيب إذا هون ال y 9 substitute ال y 9 equals هاي k ال x هون 3 هاي k times 3 divided by 3 هاي cancel 9 divided by 3 دي 3 قديش ال k 3 so our rule will be y equals 3x هاي الرول طيب what is the value of y when x equals 4 so x is given y is missing أول إشي write y equals 3x now substitute هلا ال x هون 4 هلا ال y what is the value of y when x equals 4 يعني substitute x by 4 يعني 3 times 4 يعني 12 يعني when x equals 4 y equals 12 طيب what is the value of x when y equals 15 again write the model function y equals 3x ال y هون 15 مكان ال y 15 هاي 15 equals 3x is missing divide by 3 هاي cancelled 15 by 3 5 معناته هون ال x equals 5 so when y 15 x equals 5 لأنه هون 3 times 5 هاي 15 طب هاي الأكس هون 4 times 3 12 about the homework I'll tell you later إن شاء الله. Thank you for listening and have a good day.